got a thing for you, and I can't let go.
This wig is a color chocolate brown. Y'all see it? I just blow dried my hair out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my leave out. Bless you.
I blessed you 2 times.
You said bless you 2 times? I already put heat protector on my hair too, so I'm gonna just flat iron it out. I found this little comb downstairs. I didn't feel like going to look for my other comb, so. What? Get out of my coffee. That's my kids in the background. Like I said earlier, I am installing a U-part wig. It's called Big Beautiful Hair by Outre. It's the U-part wig. There's a little part in the middle that I have to cut off. But here's the chocolate brown. You can match my hair, which I think matches my hair. I have. Sometimes these combs can hurt putting them in, so you gotta be intentional. Yes, okay, I'll try. New hair, who this? I mean,